Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Nugs subscription. Okay, so if you have taken any subscription on Nugs, so how you can cancel. So basically you can cancel your subscription on Nugs and where you have purchased originally. Okay, let's take an example. If you have taken your subscription via Apple or Google Play, how you can cancel. So in this video I'm going to tell you 3 methods by which you can cancel your subscription. So start. First method for iOS users, you need to open your iPhone settings and then you need to tap on your Apple ID and then you need to select subscriptions and then you need to select your a list of your apps and you need to select Nugs app and then you can cancel your subscription by following prompts. Okay, and the second method for Android users, you need to open your Play Store and you need to select payment and subscription and then you need to select subscription, then you need to select your app, Nugs app, and then you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. So basically if you have taken your subscription on nugs.net on their official website, so in that case what you have to do, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in you need to tap on my account option at the top right corner and then you need to select manage plan, and on the manage plan you can cancel your subscription. So you can see this is the example. Once you tap on your account overview, you will see there is a option like subscription and you can click on manage plan and then you will see your details related to your plan and you can cancel and you can choose downgrade or downgrade options. There are lots of options. You can also select you can switch your preferred subscription level. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.